Welcome to gerfytv's second tutorial on C++ programming, and in this tutorial we will be teaching you how to use data types. So a data type is an integer, character, or a string. So let's delete this first line of our function main, and we can do int a. So what this is int means integer, and a is the integer name. So think of it as we have a box. So this box has an integer inside of it. Now we want to put something in the box, but we don't know what or how to put something in the box. So what we do to put something in this box A, we do a is equal to 1, or you could have 2 or 3, or you can just pick any number up to a certain extent. So I'll just pick 1. Make sure you have that semicolon at the end, and then so if we were to run this, we would only get the black box that just has the normal stuff executed in this amount of time and process return 0. But if we want it to actually show something up, we have to use the cout with the 2 triangular brackets and a. And the reason why we don't put it in quotation marks is because if we were to put quotation marks around it, we would so we would get and this end L is just to end the line. So if we were to just run it like this, we would only just get the A, and I'm having it run right now. It's just debugging. So I will show you that it will just print out A. But if we wanted to print out the actual box A, we would want to here. So you just get A. So if we want to print out the actual box A, we do just the A itself. So as we run this, we should just get the 1 right there. And you see we do. So that is the integer data type. So another data type is called the character, and we use Char, and we'll just name this A. So a character is essentially A. It could be B, it could be C, it could be D, but it can't be numbers or symbols. There's some symbols that you can use, but I don't know exactly which ones they are. But I just recommend just sticking to letters. So it's the same box, but we hold different stuff in the box. So the char A, we want it to hold a character. So the way we do this is exactly like the integer, except we have to put these like single quotation marks, and then we put our single letter in there. So let's just say B, and we've got to make sure that we have a semicolon at the end, and then let's print out A again, and we should get B. So it's gonna debug down here, and then yes, we do get B. And so let's say you want to print out a bunch of these characters. Let's say we want char B and char C, and then we assign B to B, and then C to C. That's a lot of work right there, but if we were to just print all of it out, B with the end line, Then, if we were to run this, we should get ABC, and in fact we do. Except we have B right there because I set A to B. So, if we just do that, then we should get ABC, which we do. But there's a much easier way, and we can get it on the same line. So what we can do is we'll just delete all this, and this is called a string. And the string would be more than one letter combined. So we can still name this A. And then we would assign it just like we did to the integer and the character. So we do A is equal to, and then we would put double quotation marks because it's a longer type. And let's say we want it to write out Smith. And then we have the semicolon at the end. So then the box A is holding the string Smith. Then we want to print out the string Smith. So we do cout A, and we should get the Smith. So we compile this, and we get Smith.